In this video, another in a series of videos on expert elicitation, we consider the role of experts. What we'd like to know is what is an expert, and not just what is an expert, but what is a good expert. The choice of experts is one of the most critical stages of an elicitation process. Knowledge and expert judgment make a good expert. Formal knowledge of the subject matter is essential. An expert must know the relevant science and literature for the problem of interest. In addition to this formal knowledge, a good expert will have experience in the subject matter area. The depth and breadth of that experience may be important in some elicitations. How a person organizes and uses that knowledge is also important. This is where expert judgment enters into the qualifications. How does a person balance what is known with certainty, what is suspected to be true, and what is unknown? Experts must have good intuition and the ability to integrate information and theory. When data are limited, a good expert can think beyond the data. The best experts can explain the basis for their judgments. Good expert judgment accurately reflects the expert's judgment and captures the truth within the range of judgments offered. Experts are well calibrated or statistically accurate. Their judgments mimic the underlying probability of being right. Perhaps the simplest way to describe this feature is, for example, to say that when a well-calibrated expert provides a 90% confidence interval for a number of different values, she is correct, meaning her interval captures the truth, about 90% of the time. This expert is well calibrated. This one is not. She is overconfident. An expert is also informative. This means their estimates are concentrated in a relatively small region. To say the distance between 2 points is between 0 and 1 million miles is not informative, even if it is correct. Finding good experts is not as easy as it would seem it should be. The simplest way to begin may be with a web search. Go to the relevant literature and see who's publishing on the topics of interest to you. Check the H index for the community of practice you are interested in. The index is based on the set of the scientist's most cited papers and the number of citations that they have received in other publications. It can be a useful guide to expertise at times. You can call for experts. Here, the World Health Organization asks experts on the foodborne illness Campylobacteriosis to self-identify themselves. Professional associations in the fields of interest can be good sources of experts. Many professional organizations and societies make member directories available to others. You can hire a headhunter firm. Battelle and RTI both contract with government agencies to help them find needed experts. Finally, you can get out your phone and call a friend in the relevant community of practice. Ask for names of experts. Call your favorite professor and ask for the names of leaders in the field. Law firms hire experts all the time. Many keep lists of experts. Ask a law firm how to find an expert. When you do identify an expert, call them and ask them for the name of other experts.